Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary.Christiance and I've got a very nice surprise. Brand new floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. It's on a Bighorn Traveler. It's a 38 BH. It's pretty exciting. I want to show you around inside. We're going to go up here in the bedroom. Now this unit just came in. Our staff's working on cleaning it up, so pardon the mess. Nice bedroom. I got windows on both sides, and then behind this door is a slide out for another TV, so you can still have your window. You got a washer and dryer hookup right in here. Nice closet space. Shelf up on top. Storage under the bed. There's your vacuum hose. 2 chairs for downstairs. Good drawers. Let's pop around. And the way this door is, it pivots in the middle to be able to get in, and you've got a nice glass enclosure, sink, medicine cabinet, skylight. Nice entertainment center, fireplace of course, does throw out electric heat, solid surface countertops. There's all your control panel for your slides, etc. Good storage. These lights are really nice, they really light up. This is available with this theater seating with a center console and all your controls here for your drinks. Island countertop, which has been very popular. Great workspace. Big refrigerator. Let's see. There we go. And then down below, you got locks on all of them. Big ice. I better relock it. So you got plenty of freezer space. Of course, refrigerator up on top is easily accessible. And then full extension on your drawers. Not only is there room for a wastebasket, they supply you with one. Tabletop expands if you're going to have more than just 2 people. Little pantry area here. Second bedroom. It's got a bunk on top, TV spot, plenty of storage for whoever's going to be staying in here, whether it's another person or kids. Then you have this couch that makes out into a double bed. So this is like your second bedroom. And then if we go through this door, we have the bathroom area where you got a full shower in here. And then you got storage up above. And then I'll back out of the way and we'll take a look behind the door. And you'll notice it has a door going out the back if you needed to make an exit out the back. Very exciting floor plan. Let's go outside and I'll show you around the exterior of the unit. So this has self-leveling jacks. These of course are in the front, but you got jacks back forward that help level the unit. Nice big awning, covers the door. Back here we have an outdoor kitchen. Big refrigerator. and good storage outside. Got your sink, flexible faucet, and that tub just lifts out to empty it. 50 amp service, because this does have 2 air conditioners, and I showed you it's washer dryer ready, which you need for the 50 amp service. It's got a ladder on the back, worm gears on all your slide outs. Here's some more of those, the jack right there. This is your manifold for all your systems, outdoor shower, cable, satellite, for the rear of the unit and the front. And then you have electrical outlets, a light, more cable, black water flush, fresh water, got your dump handles here, and your water hose, your shower, your power hoses can go right down through here. Big storage underneath. Got slam latches, and then your other propane tank is right over here on this side. If you have any questions on this product, give me a call direct at 541-554-9581. I appreciate your interest and I look forward to meeting you. Thank you.